Hello from Slovenia again. I will try this kind of abstract look of flower garden or something with reverse flower dip kind of technique with paper napkin. I did 2 of those already, and today I will use those blues from the last one, and I will add some yellows, and so I just put my titanium white Amsterdam down, and this is Naples yellow light, just to have some background, because I will drizzle a lot of paint on this. This is just my first layer of paint, just to make sure that my canvas is covered. And I didn't have enough of my titanium white, so I did that. Okay, and now I will drizzle some pearl white first for the lacing, hopefully just in different directions. Okay, and now let's do this olive green light from Amsterdam. Whoop, have to be careful, didn't want to do that. Kind of doesn't matter, but still I don't want that blobs of one paint. Okay, and I will add some gold today in the background, just like that. And then Prussian phthalo green from Arteza. Whoop, and I did it again. I will add some more greens for the leaves, but for this part I don't want these blobs of paint. Okay, and now to the flowers. And I will do a little different pattern of flowers today. So let's do one here. And I will do like that. And let's do one here. And I will go from there. And now pearl white. Manganese blue. I will put all the colors and brands into the description box, so maybe, oops, I will just speed this part up a little bit and let you listen for music or something, and I'll be back with the napkin card. Enjoy in the meantime. Okay, take quite some time for this part here, but as you can see, I did some flower shaped things, and I will just try to break this leaves shape a little bit. As I said, you can check the colors and brands into the description box if you want to know. Okay, and now to the napkin part. I will spray it a little bit, not too much, and I will place it down. And then I will immediately turn my canvas to this part, to this side, because I will go from here, you know, to that part. I basically think that this one will have much less negative space, and I did do my my flowers a little differently today, different shape, to see if this will make any difference. And I did add a little more little dots, so let's see. I'm hoping for a nice pattern, so abstract flower garden kind of. Not exactly. Still, I have to do something different. But I do like it more than yesterday, but because I left my napkin that way, I should have drawn my pattern of flowers differently, that this will be here, and I will leave the napkin to dry too, because it's beautiful. I like it, I will say. Maybe this part is not my total favorite, but I'm afraid to add something. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with that. And as you can see, it's really easy technique that you end up with really beautiful, abstract looking, more impressionistic style, I will say. I love it, I have to say. So I will take you for a close-up. So here is a close-up. It's amazing for my taste. And I got a zillion ideas how to do this in some other ways that I'm pretty sure that it will look amazing too. And this is the napkin that I will leave to dry, because it looks amazing too. Yay, I'm happy. Can't wait to try more of those Tell me in the comments what you think about this easy abstract flower garden painting with acrylic technique, acrylic pouring technique with fluid art. It's really easy. If you are a beginner, you can do a nice abstract painting. You can create, I should say. See you on the next one. Bye.